Imagine a world where your industrial control products arrive faster, run smoother, and cost less. Sound too good to be true? Meet the reality with C3 Controls. We're not just another supplier. C3 Controls is your one-stop shop for industrial controls, built to make your life easier, your systems smarter, and your projects faster. We deliver high-quality, US-based electrical control products, backed by almost 50 years of powering automation across industries. Why juggle multiple vendors, delays, and confusion? Need it now? 90% of orders ship the same day. Looking for peace of mind? Our lifetime warranty has you covered. Got questions? You'll always talk to a real person who gets it, fast. Most vendors come with hidden costs, delays, rework, logistical issues. Not here. With advantage pricing, you save up to 40% while getting unmatched quality. Fewer steps, fewer headaches, more savings. Take control of your automation journey today with C3 Controls, because when your project's on the line, you need a partner who delivers. Shop now at c3controls.com.